मुझे थोड़ी देर लगेगी। I'll take some time. I'll take some time. मैं रोज योग करता हूँ। I do yoga every day. I do yoga every day. जब तुम पढ़ते हो तब मैं टीवी देखता हूँ। When you study, I watch TV. When you study, I watch TV. उसने अपनी गलती नहीं मानी। He didn't admit his mistake. He didn't admit his mistake. कुछ खास नहीं, बस थक गया हूँ। Nothing much, just tired. Nothing much, just tired. यह मेरी पसंदीदा फिल्म है। This is my favorite movie. This is my favorite movie. वह बहुत हंसमुख है। He is very cheerful. He is very cheerful. वह कह रहा था कि वह माफी मांगना चाहता है। He said he wanted to apologize. He said he wanted to apologize. उसकी आंखें नीली हैं। Her eyes are blue. Her eyes are blue. वह यहाँ काम नहीं करता। He doesn't work here. He doesn't work here. जो भी हो, सच बोलना जरूरी है। Whatever happens, telling the truth is important. Whatever happens, telling the truth is important. कोई बात नहीं। No problem. No problem. यह जगह बहुत शांत है। This place is very peaceful. This place is very peaceful. वह परीक्षा में पास नहीं हुआ। He did not pass the exam. He didn't pass the exam. मैं जानता था कि ऐसा होगा। I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. क्या उसने मुझसे कुछ पूछा? Did he ask me anything? Did he ask me anything? वह अभी तक नहीं लौटा। He hasn't returned yet. He hasn't returned yet. यह ड्रेस बहुत सुंदर है। This dress is very beautiful. This dress is very beautiful. हमें हर दिन कुछ नया सीखना चाहिए। We should learn something new every day. We should learn something new every day. आराम करो। Take rest. Take rest. तुम्हें कौन सी भाषा आती है? Which language do you know? Which language do you know? उसकी लिखावट बहुत अच्छी है। His handwriting is very good. His handwriting is very good. उसने क्या कहा था? What did he say? What did he say? मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. क्या आप मुझे पहचानते हैं? Do you recognize me? Do you recognize me? यह बहुत अच्छा अनुभव था। It was a great experience. It was a great experience. वह बहुत सोच समझकर बोलता है. He speaks very thoughtfully. He speaks very thoughtfully. यह विषय थोड़ा जटिल है. This topic is a bit complex. This topic is a bit complex. मुझे खेद है कि मैं लेट हो गया. I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late. मैंने तुम्हारा पत्र पढ़ लिया. I have read your letter. I have read your letter. किसी को आंकना आसान नहीं होता. It's not easy to judge someone. It's not easy to judge someone. अगर तुम जल्दी उठो तो दिन अच्छा गुजरता है. If you wake up early, the day goes well. If you wake up early, the day goes well. भावनाएं भी समझनी चाहिए. Emotions should also be understood. Emotions should also be understood. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready quickly. Get ready quickly. मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. इसे साफ कर दो. Clean this. Clean this. मुझे अस्पताल जाना है. I need to go to the hospital. I need to go to the hospital. मुझे नहीं लगता कि यह आसान होगा. I don't think it will be easy. I don't think it will be easy. मुझे अभी निकलना होगा. I have to leave now. I have to leave now. खिड़की खोल दो. Open the window. Open the window. यह कितने बजे शुरू होगा? At what time will it start? At what time will it start? क्या तुम मुझे स्टेशन तक छोड़ सकते हो? Can you drop me at the station? Can you drop me at the station? मैंने नया फोन खरीदा है. I have bought a new phone. I have bought a new phone. शुभकामनाएं. Best wishes. Best wishes. यह आपका बहुत बड़प्पन है. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. धन्यवाद, आपने मेरी मदद की. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me.